In this lab, we will use the join and left outer join operations to define a query that retrieves the list of courses, that is to show department underscore name, course underscore ID, title, sec underscore ID, semester and year. The courses were on offer but had no enrollment. So the courses were on offer, that is offered in the section table and the course table, but in the text table there was no enrollment. So let's look at the tables. Select all from course table. So we have in the course table, we have course ID as the primary key, and we have title, department name and the credits. And in the text table, we have the student ID, the course ID, section ID and semester and year. They are together forming the primary key. And student IDs are the IDs of the student taking the course for that section in that semester and the year. And select all from section. So this is the section table. In the section table, the course ID, section ID, semester, year, together they form the primary key. So these are the courses on offer, and there is section, semester, year, building, room number, time slot ID. Now we will select all from section, left outer join takes on. So we want to join section table to the text table, where section course ID equal takes course ID, and section ID equal takes section ID, and section semester equal takes semester, and section year equal takes year. So when we run this, we get course ID CS190. Okay, there is a condition that we put where takes.id is null. So which means that no one is taking, there is no student taking that course. If I don't put that condition, then it gives me all the courses, all the course ID, section ID, for which, and then it joins to the text table. Section table is joined to the text table, and on this section course ID equal text course ID, section ID equal text section ID, section dot semester equal text dot semester, and section dot year equal text dot year. So on the left is the section, and on the right is the text table. And if I put the condition, then it's going to give me where text.id is null. So where text.id is null, so ID, which is student ID, is null. So I should output, it should give me this last row. So if I run that gives the last row. So there is no student taking that course which is offered in that semester year for that section. Now in the next one, we want only not all the not all the attributes here. We will put a condition. So we want to only see section dot course ID, section dot section ID, section dot semester, section dot year. So okay, so we have course ID CS190, section ID 1, semester spring, year 2019, and it is this course, this particular course for this section ID semester in year is not taken by any student. Now the very last, we need to put the department in the title, and to get the department and the title we get it from the course table. So we want to join the course table to this table, the rest of the table, on course.course ID equal temp.course ID, and temp we let it equal to the section table left outer join takes. So once that is joined and we have a condition text.id is null, and then we join the course table to this result on course.course underscore id equal temp.course underscore id. So if I instead do all here, then I get course ID, title, department, credits, that is the course table, and we are joining it to the section left outer join text table, and that is course ID, section ID, semester year on course ID equal temp course ID. So if I just output the attributes that I want, that is I want course department name, I want course ID, I want course title, I want temporary section ID, I want temporary semester, I want temporary year. So I get this. Department name computing science, course ID CS190, title game design, section ID 1, semester spring, year 2019.